Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another trade recap video. Apologies for the delay in the posts. Family's still in town. They're about to leave pretty soon. Just kind of helping them around the house with certain things and whatever the case. But we're back in here. We're going to do trade recap, and we'll actually do the replay again as well. But first off, if you guys are new here, make sure to go and subscribe. My name is Alex. Been trading for about 2 years. Smart money concepts, liquidity, imbalances, stuff like that. It's a very good strategy to have. Um, and yeah, I teach education. Education is going to come very soon. I do have a couple educational videos on my channel, but it's mostly just trade recaps and stuff like that. Go ahead and join the free Discord as well. That's going to be linked down below. Go join that right now before I continue this video. I'm going to wait 5 seconds so you can go join that, like right now. Pause the video, go join it. Cool. All right, let's get into this recap. So, I'm going to remove that because I don't need that. So, basically what I was looking at, let's go in the 30-minute time frame. Okay. Very clear top of a sell model, right? We have the high, and we have obviously, right, imbalance here, bullish breaker here, right, low, high, lower, low, right? It's a bearish order block that got traded through, creating a bullish breaker. Okay. So, to me, after seeing the pre-market session sell off and continue displacing below this low, I realized that okay, I want to wait for more price action. I want to wait to see what the market structure is doing, and then that'll give me my bias on whether I want a short or long for today. So, looking at the overnight session, let's go in the 15 minutes to make it a bit easier. So on the 15-minute time frame, you'll notice this high here at 3:30, right? This high was never ran out by the 6:15 high. So we have a bearish S&T here because ES ran up here and took that high at 3:30. If you look just above that as well, during Asia's session, or just a little bit after it, 11:45, that high is taken by the 115. Look at the same exact high, 11:45, was not taken by 115, and we're rejecting off of midnight open. So to me, I still want to be bearish even though we had this huge sell-off, right? Because this is a lot of momentum, a lot of displacement. I can expect price to continue on to do what it's doing, right? So hop back down to the 1 minute time frame. And also the drawn liquidity, what I was looking for as well was this 4-hour imbalance right here. So the end of this 4-hour imbalance, because all this whole gap here is just inefficient price. So we're gonna have to fill it at some point, right? And obviously this is our point of resistance where we're gonna start to show hesitancy to move lower, potentially accumulate, or just straight up reverse, which is what we did. But let's go back down to the 1 minute so we can look and see exactly what we got here. So this is about 7:39. Oh wait, let me play this out a little bit more. So obviously price just kind of accumulating right now. I'm selling off a bit, but still going in a general direction. And 9:20, so let's skip over a little bit. Okay, so if we go to market open right here, okay, what's the first thing that we notice on a 1 minute candle? Well, on the 1 minute candle, you'll notice that 928 high was taken out by the 930 high, but the same exact high on ES was never taken out. So we had a bearish S&T there on the 1 minute time frame. If you look in the 15 minute as well, 15-minute time frame, right? We tap up into this fair value gap on the 15 minute. I believe there was a 30-minute gap. There was a 30-minute gap, but we never tapped up into it. So we had that 15-minute gap here, which we tapped. If you look on the 10-minute time frame, you'll notice that we actually do have a bearish S&T here as well, right? High not taken on ES, high taken on NQ. So as soon as I see that, I'm aware of this 5-minute gap here, right? We close through that 5-minute gap. We take out the slow with displacement, still have a clear draw lower. I want to put my limit here at the 5-minute gap because I know we're probably going to want to come up and tap it because this is a valid order block as well. So if we scale back down to the 1 minute time frame, what am I doing? Waiting for that candle to close. Boom, we finally get the close at, I believe it was around 9:35. So boom, that's where we get the closure, and the new candle opens there. And I get tapped in right there into that trade at about 380.25, and then I ride that all the way down towards the end of that 4-hour gap. I could have put my limit at the breaker here, but I would have had to endure slight bit of, you know, a slight bit of opposing direction here, but that's fine because ultimately we did create another SMT inversion, clear draw lower, obviously ends up working, and yeah, that was pretty much that. And then we ended off with bullish SMT here, which then shot price back up to this new week opening gap here, and then that just left us to pretty much consolidate for the rest of the day. So as you can see, right, here's the NWOG, right, we hit it, reject, 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 and then now we just kind of doing whatever. So here are the executions from today. I also did execute on the top step, same exact executions on here. So yeah, go ahead and look at my Instagram. I posted everything on there, P&L, charts, you know, everything that's proof of that, everything that's proof of me taking this trade, basically. So yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. I'll leave you boys with that, and hopefully you guys had a great trading day. If not, it's all good. Come back tomorrow. It's not the end of the world, right? Accept that loss and come back. All right. I'll leave you boys with that, and catch you boys tomorrow. Peace.